Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync Google Calendar with iPhone, quick fix step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the Settings app. Tap on the Settings app to open it. Scroll down and find the option for Calendar. Tap on Calendar to access calendar settings. Next, select Accounts. Now, tap on Add Account. Choose Google from the list of account options. Enter your Google account email address. Tap Next after entering your email. Input your password and tap Next again. If prompted, allow the necessary permissions for your calendar. Once your account is verified, ensure that the toggle for calendar is enabled. Tap Save to finalize adding your Google account. Exit the Settings app and open the Calendar app. You should see your Google Calendar events integrated within the iPhone calendar. If your events do not appear immediately, pull down to refresh the calendar view. Check that you are online for the sync to work. Your Google Calendar is now successfully synced with your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.